are red, violets are blue. All I need is Rizos curls and you. Quisiera ser solecito para encender tu mundo todos los días. Today, we are unboxing the limited edition Be Mine Styling Bundle. So first of all, this cute little Be Mine Styling Bundle has everything you need to be Valentine's Day ready. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got your curls on point, you got your pickup lines on point. You're also gonna get these amazing Valentine's Day cards that comes with a little envelope so that you can mail it, ready to mail it to that Rizos Rey, Rizos Reina of your choice. Let me read some of these to you, all right? Y'all wanna know the way to my heart? Deep condition and chill. Probably the biggest one, the most important one. Play with my curls, not with my heart. This is my mood the entire 2021, all right? If you're gonna come into my life, do not play with my heart, but you can play with my curls, all right, y'all? I'm just letting you know. I'm sending this to my crush. All I need is Rizos curls and you. I'm sending this directly, send me your address. Love this, finding poems in my day 6 curls. When I find this, I'm gonna have a ring on this finger, all right? So now for the hair, you got the boom, Rizos Curl Refresh and Tangle Spray. You got the boom, Curl Defining Cream. And you got the boom, Rizos Curls Gel. So the styling bundle has everything you need to style your curls to perfection. And it's gonna help you have someone, you know, to show off these curls with. Right here. All right, guys? So make sure you get it. It's on sale, a special price, limited edition while supplies last. We're only doing this for Valentine's Day because February is my favorite month of ever. As y'all can see, I'm in theme con los corazoncitos, the red lip, the pink. Like, February is a mood for me, so I'm trying to bring that to everybody, all right?